children, today we are going to start with chapter first, that is Earth. As you all know, we all live on the planet Earth. It is the only planet where life is possible. So let's study about the Earth. You have to recognize these pictures yourself. Let's see the shape of the Earth. So let's see the shape of the Earth, which is round like a giant ball but not perfectly spherical. It has a shape similar to an orange. It is slightly flattened at the north and south poles. North pole जो आपका top पे है, south pole जो आपका bottom पे है, and it bulges in the middle. If we talk about the atmosphere, what atmosphere? The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. This layer protects the earth from being too cold or too hot. It helps in maintaining the right temperature. The atmosphere consists of many gases including oxygen and nitrogen and thus make life possible on the earth. और ये life को कैसे बनाता है? Possible बनाता है. Continent. The earth is covered with the land as well as with water. And the huge landmass are called continents. And how many continents do we have? We have 7 continents. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? एशिया है, biggest, smallest, Australia, and we have one continent that is frozen throughout the year, means it is covered with snow throughout the year, it is Antarctica. Right? Next is ocean. How many oceans do we have? We have 5 oceans. It's a water body and continent is a land part. We have 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Southern, Arctic or Antarctic Ocean. Right? And we have Indian Ocean also. Now Earth axis. So the Earth axis, it is an imaginary line that runs from North Pole to South Pole. Right? It has to spin the earth, rotate करने में help करता है earth को. The earth never stops spinning. The earth always spin from left to right. इससे spin करता है left to right. Then we have equator, that is 0 degree. This is the line of equator. It is 0 degree and it's divide. जो आपका इक्वेटर से जो नॉर्थ वाला पार्ट होता है वो नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, ये इसको 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है, नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, और बॉटम वाला पार्ट क्या हो गया आपका सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. राइट? So just like axis, the earth has one imaginary line, then the imaginary line that circles around the middle of the earth is called equator. It's divide the earth into 2 horizontal. I have told you that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. At equator जो sun होता है वो वहाँ इक्वेटर पे तो सन साइन करता है फॉर अबाउट 12 आवर्स ईच डे, 12 घंटे. नाउ मूवमेंट्स ऑफ द अर्थ, अर्थ 2 तरीके की मूवमेंट करता है, रोटेशन एंड रिवोल्यूशन. रोटेशन इट टेक्स 24 आवर्स टू कंप्लीट वन रोटेशन एंड देयर इज चेंजेस इन द डे एंड नाइट. आपने देखा ना डे और नाइट में चेंज होता है वो ड्यू टू रोटेशन. And then we have revolution. It takes 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution. And what it causes? Changes in the season. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Season में changes होते हैं. Right? So the rotation of the earth causes changes in day and night. I have told you. And the sun gets direct sunlight and it has daytime. और जहाँ पे sunlight reach नहीं करती वहाँ पे night होता है. Right? So the earth also move around the sun in a fixed path orbit, and the earth has 365 days, 6 hours or 1/4 days to complete one revolution, and it makes one full day, and every 4th year has an extra day in 1 month of February, और इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Leap year. Revolution of the earth causes change in season. When the northern hemisphere is facing the sun, it gets more sunlight. और वहाँ पे क्या होती है? Summer होती है. Right? At the same time, if we talk about the southern hemisphere is facing away from the sun, तो वहाँ पे क्या होगा? Winter होगा. Right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.